How to start Shopify without credit card easy. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about starting Shopify without a credit card. So, a lot of people have this misconception that Shopify being a obviously pay platform, you're going to need a credit card to start with this. That is not the case. Obviously, you are going to need a credit card if you want to buy a plan, but if you're just starting Shopify off, you don't really need to get a plan. All you're gonna do is you're gonna come over to Shopify, okay? And once you redirect yourself to Shopify, simply what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on Start Free Trial. And once you click on Start Free Trial, it says let's get started, which one of these best describes you, etc., etc. So you're gonna skip all those things, click on Next, simply add in your email and password, and it's gonna create a store for you. Like, no credit card, no nothing asked. And it's going to be a free trial, and it's going to give you this widget. It's going to say your trial just started, your trial ends in 3 days. So after that, obviously, you're going to need a credit card. But before that, you do not need a credit card. So yeah, that is basically how you're going to start Shopify with credit card. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.